Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the numerical based on turn on and turn off of SCR. Okay, so please read the example carefully. A power electronic switch during its turn on process has the following data. Okay, means they have given during turn on process it has the following data. Anode voltage is changing from 600 volt to 0 volt. Anode current is changing from 0 ampere to 100 ampere. Okay, so it is given that it is during turn on process, means initially SCR is in the off state. Okay, so initially when SCR is in the off state, what is the voltage across the SCR? Definitely it will be high, so that's why the initial voltage is high, right? When SCR is in the off state, what is the current flowing through the SCR? It is a leakage current, right? But they have considered it as a 0 ampere. Okay, next, so during the on time, during the turn on time, okay, the SCR voltage is decreasing from 600 volt to 0 volt, right? And SCR current is increasing from 0 ampere to the 100 ampere. Okay, so at this instant, can we say that our SCR has successfully turned on? Yes, because SCR is in the on state, means what? It is acting as a short circuit, so that's why the current flowing through the SCR will be very high. What is the voltage across the SCR? Voltage across the SCR will be very low. Okay, so they have given this data during turn on time of 5 microseconds. So turn on time is 5 microseconds. The anode current and anode voltage vary linearly. Okay, means VA and I are varying linearly. One is linearly decreasing, second one is linearly increasing. Okay, if triggering frequency is 100 hertz, okay, find the average power loss in switch. Okay, now so they have given the turn on time is 5 microseconds. After that it is given that the triggering frequency is 100 hertz. Triggering frequency is 100 hertz, the meaning is in 1 second this switch is turned on 100 times, turned on 100 times. Okay, so if you check, we are having the plot like this. This is the time t 0, right? Suppose the VA and IA. Let us first draw for the VA. VA is changing from 600 volt to 0 volt. Okay, so it is changing from 600 to 0. Suppose this is 600 to here it is a 0, right? Next, IA is changing from 0 to 100 ampere. Okay, IA is changing from 0 to 100 ampere. So suppose this is IA. So after this it is a constant. Okay, so this time indicates the 5 microsecond. From here to here, this is a 5 microsecond, right? This is a 5 microsecond. Are you getting the point? This is IA, plot for IA, and this one is plot for VA. VA is changing from 600 volt, right, to 0 volt, and IA is changing from 0 ampere to 100 ampere. This current is 100 ampere. Okay, this is okay for 5 microsecond, but they have given that yes, the anode voltage and anode, okay, linearly. If triggering frequency is 100 hertz, triggering frequency is 100 hertz means what? In 1 second, in 1 second we are getting this type of waveform 100 times. Okay, 100 times you are getting this type of waveform. Okay, so means after this instant, again we are going to turn off the switch in between. Okay, and again we are going to turn on the switch. Okay, so next instant at which, so suppose at this instant again the VA is decreasing, means again it is a turned on, and IA is increasing. Okay, so it is a IA. This is for IA, this one is for VA, this one is for VA. Okay, so this type of waveform in 1 second we will be getting this waveform 100 times, right? 100 times, right? So from this, can we write what this time indicates from here to here? It is like 1 by 100. Okay, are you getting the point? This time is like a 1 by 100, means after how much time the same waveform will be repeating? It is a 1 by 100, right? So frequency, the 1 by frequency is a time. Okay, so it is 1 by 100, so it will be 0.01 second. Okay, so we can write it as a 0.01 seconds. Okay, now we need to find the average power loss for this waveform, average power loss for this waveform. Okay, so for that we need to write the expression for Va and we need to write the expression for Ia also. Okay, so what is the expression for Ia? Can we write it as Ia is equal to, yes, Ia is equal to, it is changing linearly. Okay, changing linearly. So what is the slope for Ia? Y is equal to mx. Y is nothing but Ia. Okay, is equal to m into x. Slope is y by x. Okay, so it is a 100 divided by 5 micro. Okay, so it is a 100 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, into t. X is nothing but the t. You can check if t is equal to 0, Ia is equal to 0, right? Next, if t is equal to 5 microsecond, so Ia is equal to 100. So at 5 microsecond it is 100. If t is equal to 2.5 microsecond, means in between 2, it is a 2.5. So it is a at 50 ampere. Okay, so at 2.5 it will be 50. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this is the expression for Ia. Similarly, can we write the expression for Va? Va is equal to, please be careful, the slope is decreasing now, slope is decreasing. Okay, so that's why it is negative, we need to put. Okay, and again we need to add the initial value, so it is like 600 minus now the slope. Okay, so it is 600 by 5 micro, 600 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into t. You can check at t is equal to 0, it is 600 minus 0, so it is a 600, right? At t is equal to 5 micro, so it is 600 minus 600 divided by 5 micro into 5 micro, so it is a 0, right? At t is equal to 5 micro, it is a 0. Are you getting the point? In between, at t is equal to 2.5 micro, you can write it as 600 minus 600 by 5 micro into 2.5, so it will be around 300 volt. Okay, so this is the waveform. Please try to understand. This is like y is equal to mx. Y is nothing but, in our case it is Ia now, and x is nothing but the t, and m is the slope y by x, and this is linearly decreasing, right? So it is like a slope. Va is equal to, initial value is 600 minus the slope is decreasing na, so that's why I have taken it as a minus. And what is now the slope? That is a y by x, so it is a 600 divided by 5 micro into x, that is a t. Okay, so now from this can we write the average power? Therefore average power, P average, is equal to what? How we can write it as? Yes, it is like 1 upon 0.01. Okay, because this waveform is repeating after 0.01 second. Okay, into integration, yes, from 0 to 5 micro. Okay, 0 to 5 micro, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Are you getting the point? 5 micro, this is 0, this is 5 micro, so this is a 5 micro. After 5 micro, what is the power loss? After this 5 micro, what is the power loss? It is a Va into Ia. Ia is 100, but what is Va? Va is 0, right? So after this instant, the power loss will be 0. So actual power loss is taking place only during this interval. Are you getting the point? Okay, so it is 1 by 0.01 into integration from 0 to 5 micro. Yes, Va into Ia. It is a Va into Ia into dt. Now can we simplify it? Yes, it is like 1 upon 0.01. We can write it as 1 by 0.01 means 100. Okay, so we can write it as 100 into, yes, integration from 0 to 5 micro, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, right? Va into Ia. Va we are having, it is a 600 minus 600 upon 5 micro. Okay, into Ia, that is a 100 upon 5 micro into t into dt. Okay, is this clear? So it is a Va into Ia into dt, right? Further, can we simplify it? Yes, I am writing here. So we can write it as, yes, so this can be written as P average is equal to, yes, is equal to integration from, sorry, 100 into integration from 0 to 5 micro. Okay, so it is 600 into 100. Can we take 600 into 100 outside? Yes, this is a 600 minus 600, so we can take 600 common, as well as we can take 100 common. Okay, so it is like 600 into 100, so it is 100 into 600 into 100. okay, into this can be written as integration of 0 to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Yes, so it will be 1 minus t now, right? So this can be written as t upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, I am multiplying, I have taken 600 common, so it is like 1 minus 1 by this term. Okay, so it is like 1 into this term. Okay, so t upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, right? We can better to put bracket here, into dt. Okay, minus it is t square by 25 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so it is t upon this term into t upon this term. Okay, so it is a t square by 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 into dt. Okay, yes, or overall into dt we can write. Okay, so this can be simplified as is equal to, yes, 100 into 600 into 100. Okay, so it is like 600 into 10 to the power 4, right? 600 into 10 to the power 4 into, yes, this can be written as t square by 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, right? Minus t cube by 3, t cube by 3 into 25 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, limit 0 to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this can be written as, further we can take 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 common. Okay, so it is 600 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, right? Into, yes, we can write it as t square divided by 2 minus t cube divided by, so 15 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, limit 0 to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this can be written as 600 upon this term, we can write it as 120 into 10 to the power 10. Okay, into, yes, this is t square by 2, so this can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 square, so it is a 25 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 2 minus t cube, so t cube is 125 into 10 to the power minus 18 divided by 15 into 10 to the power minus 6, right? Are you getting the point? Okay, so it is, now we can write from this it as equal to, yes, so it will be like 125 into 10 to the power minus 12 actually, so minus 6, it will be minus 12 becomes, divided by 15. Okay, plus this term, so it is 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 12, so it is 4.167 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 120 into 10 to the power 10, so it is 5. Okay, it is a 5. P0 average is equal to 5 watts. Are you getting the point? Is this clear? Okay, so they have given the VA and IA data, so from that we have drawn the waveform. Okay, and important thing, they have given the switching frequency also. So from switching frequency you need to understand in 1 second for how many times we are turning on the switch. Switching frequency means what? It indicates for how many times we are turning on the switch. Okay, so in 1 second we are turning it on 100 times. So therefore once this is turned on, after this it is repeating after 0.01 second. Okay, so that's why this is like a periodic time. This is the periodic time. So in this way we can find the P0 average. P0 average is the average power. Okay, so they have asked the average power, be careful. Okay, So this VA into IA is your instantaneous power. Okay, so we need to add it and again we need to divide it with this time. Okay, so this is about the numerical one. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the second numerical based on dynamic characteristics of SCR. Thank you.